Hello BioTecNikans. All this while we have been saying that your success is our achievement. And today we are going to add one more dimension to it, and that is your research is our responsibility. And you will ask how. Let me explain. BioTecNika has been providing you jobs and opportunities, news and views, audios and videos, and everything related to biopharma sector. We have been at the forefront when it came to any information related to it. But then we realized that there's one more area where we can be of more help to you, and that is your research. We have been often contacted by researchers complaining about the price and quality of reagents, chemical and biolabs, and how they have to interact with unprofessional suppliers who are not willing to give them the products at the right price. Hence, it inflates the overall cost of the research. So we wanted to provide a one-stop solution to all the researchers, scientists, and all biotech R&D companies. Today there are lots of options available in the market for the reagents, chemicals, tools, but the problem is, at the one hand, we are not aware of it, and on the other side, we are not aware of the actual prices, and hence we end up paying the more value, more price to the existing retailers. So we wanted to provide a platform to the scientists where they can analyze, evaluate, explore the options, and hence they pay the right price of all the products. We will provide you all the details, all the pricing of all the products, so that you get the right product at the right price. So how BioTecNika will provide you cheap reagents? BioTecNika has a vast network of manufacturing partners, and we will directly procure from them and store these things in Bengaluru, Chennai, Kolkata, Noida and Pune. So you can place the order directly online or through a purchase order. There will be no middlemen involved. Once you place the order, we will dispatch your product from the nearest warehouse. Hence, no middleman involved. We will find the optimum price for you. So from now, BioTecNika means your success is our achievement and your research is our responsibility.
Should you have any questions, please comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to BioTecNika's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with latest in BT sector.